গুড নুন এভরিওয়ান। আর সকলকে জানাই শুভ নববর্ষের প্রীতি শুভেচ্ছা ও ভালোবাসা। তো আজকে আমরা জিওগ্রাফির দ্য নর্দার্ন প্লেন্স সেকেন্ড পার্টটা আমরা শুরু করতে চলে এসেছি। তো গত ক্লাসে আমরা কি পড়েছিলাম? নর্দার্ন প্লেন্সের পাঞ্জাব প্লেন্স, পাঞ্জাব ডোয়াব আর গাঙ্গা প্লেন্স পর্যন্ত পড়েছিলাম। তো আজকে আমরা পড়ব গাঙ্গা ডোয়াব। গাঙ্গা ডোয়াব গঙ্গা ডোয়াব। তো প্রিভিয়াস ক্লাসে আমরা কি পড়েছিলাম? ডোয়াব মিন্স ডু মিন্স টু, অ্যাব মিন্স ওয়াটার। তো দুটো নদী যখন মিট করে তার মাঝখানে যে জায়গাটাকে বলা হয় ডোয়াব, তার মাঝখানে জায়গাটাকে বলা হয় ডোয়াব। সেই মাঝখানে জায়গাটাকে বলা হচ্ছে ডোয়াব। তো আজকে আমরা পড়বো গঙ্গা ডোয়াব। Ganga Doab has been classified into three categories. The key upper Doab. প্রথমটা হচ্ছে আপার ডোয়াব। আপার ডোয়াব, আপার ডোয়াবের মধ্যে কি আছে? উত্তরাখণ্ড। আপার ডোয়াবের মধ্যে কি আছে? উত্তরাখণ্ড। উত্তরাখণ্ড। উত্তরাখণ্ড, উত্তরাখণ্ডের মধ্যে হচ্ছে দেহরাদুন এন্ড হরিদ্বার। দেহরাদুন এন্ড হরিদ্বার। দেহরাদুন এন্ড হরিদ্বার। তো গঙ্গা ডোয়াব, আপার ডোয়াবের মধ্যে হচ্ছে উত্তরাখণ্ড, দেহরাদুন এন্ড হরিদ্বার। নেক্সট হচ্ছে উত্তরপ্রদেশ। তো আপার ডোয়াবের মধ্যে পড়ছে কোন স্টেট? উত্তরাখণ্ড। সেটা কোন কোন প্লেস? দেহরাদুন এন্ড হরিদ্বার। আর সেকেন্ড হচ্ছে উত্তরপ্রদেশ। ইউপি। উত্তরপ্রদেশ। উত্তরপ্রদেশের মধ্যে কি কি আছে? উত্তরপ্রদেশের মধ্যে সাহারানপুর, নেক্সট হচ্ছে মুজাফরনগর। মুজাফরনগর। নেক্সট হচ্ছে বাগপাট। নেক্সট হচ্ছে মিরাট। সাহারানপুর, মুজাফরনগর, বাগপাট, মিরাট। নেক্সট হচ্ছে গাজিয়াবাদ, গাজিয়াবাদ, नेक्स्ट गौतम बुद्ध नगर, गौतम बुद्ध नगर, गौतम बुद्ध नगर एंड बुलंदशहर, बुलंदशहर। বুলন্দশহর। তো কি কি আছে আপার গঙ্গা দোয়াবের মধ্যে? গঙ্গা দোয়াব has been classified into three categories, that is upper doab, middle doab and lower doab। তো আপার দোয়াবের মধ্যে কি কি কোন কোন স্টেট? তো আপার দোয়াব is in Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh। So what are the name of the places of Uttarakhand? It is Dehradun and Haridwar, Dehradun and Haridwar। আর উত্তর প্রদেশে হচ্ছে সাহারানপুর, মুজাফরনগর, বাগপাট, মিরাট, গাজিয়াবাদ, গৌতম বুদ্ধ নগর এন্ড বুলন্দশহর, গৌতম বুদ্ধ নগর এন্ড বুলন্দশহর। তো সাহারানপুর, মুজাফরনগর, বাগপাট, মিরাট, গাজিয়াবাদ, গৌতম বুদ্ধ নগর এন্ড বুলন্দশহর। নেক্সট হচ্ছে আমাদের সেন্ট্রাল অর মিডল ডোয়াব, সেন্ট্রাল অর মিডল ডোয়াব। सेंट्रल और मिडल, सेंट्रल और मिडल डोआब, सेंट्रल और मिडल डोआब। तो सेंट्रल और मिडल डोआबের মধ্যে হচ্ছে ইটা, काशगंज, काशगंज। नेक्स्ट अलीगढ़, अलीगढ़। नेक्स्ट आगरा, नेक्स्ट हाथरस, हाथरस। नेक्स्ट হচ্ছে ফিরোজাবাদ, नेक्स्ट ফিরোজাবাদ। नेक्स्ट कन्नौज, कन्नौज। नेक्स्ट इटावा, इटावा, औरैया, एंड मथुरा, एंड मथुरा। तो सेंट्रल और मिडल डोआबের মধ্যে হচ্ছে ইটা, কাশগঞ্জ, আলীগড়, আগ্রা, হাথরাস, ফিরোজাবাদ, কন্নৌজ, ইটাওয়া, औरैया and Mathura। So these places lies in the central or middle doab of Ganga doab, central or middle of Ganga doab, and upper doab lies in Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh। Uttarakhand is in Dehradun and Haridwar, and Uttar Pradesh is in Saharanpur, Muzaffarnagar, Bagpat, Meerut, Ghaziabad, Gautam Budh Nagar and Bulandshahar, Bulandshahar। Next is Mathura। So important point is Mathura is the Mathura is in the Trans Yamuna region of Braj. Trans Yamuna region of Braj. Trans Yamuna region of Braj. So Mathura is in the Trans Yamuna region of Braj. Next is Lower Doab. Third point is Lower Doab. Lower Doab lies in Kanpur, Fatehpur, Kaushambi, and Allahabad. Lower Doab lies in Kanpur, Fatehpur, Kaushambi, and Allahabad. So what I have studied from Ganga Doab. So Ganga Doab has been classified into three categories. That is Upper Doab, Central Doab, and Lower Doab. So Upper Doab lies in two states, that is Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. So what are the name of the places of these two states? That from Uttarakhand, Upper Doab lies in Dehradun and Haridwar, and in Uttar Pradesh, Upper Doab lies in Saharanpur, Muzaffarnagar, Bagpat, Meerut, Ghaziabad, Gautam Budh Nagar, and Bulandshahr. So another is Central or Middle Doab. So Central or Middle Doab lies in the places of Etah, Kashganj, Aligarh, Agra, Hathras, Firozabad, Kannauj, Etawah, Auraiya, and Mathura. So all these places lie in the central or middle of Ganga Doab. And the Mathura is in the Trans Yamuna region of Braj. Trans Yamuna region of Braj. Next, last point is Lower Ganga Doab. It lies in Kanpur, Fatehpur, Kaushambi, and Allahabad. Next point is Rohilkhand Plain. Rohilkhand Plain. So point number 1 is Rohilkhand is a low-lying alluvial region. Is a low-lying alluvial region. Rohilkhand is a low-lying alluvial region. Is located in northwestern Uttar Pradesh. Is located in north. Is located in northwestern. Is located in northwestern Uttar Pradesh. So Rohilkhand is a low-lying alluvial region and it is located in northwestern Uttar Pradesh on the upper Ganges alluvial plain or the upper Ganges on the upper Ganges alluvial plain. On the upper Ganges alluvial plain. So Rohilkhand. Today we are discussing about Rohilkhand plain. So Rohilkhand is a low-lying alluvial region and it is located in northwestern Uttar Pradesh on the upper Ganges alluvial plain. On the upper Ganges alluvial plain. So Rohilkhand plain is lying on the upper Ganges alluvial plain of and it is located in northwestern Uttar Pradesh. Northwestern Uttar Pradesh. Next point is Rohilkhand plain is lying between the Ganga river west and Awadh plain east. Between the Ganga river west and the Awadh plain east. And the Awadh plain east. So the Rohilkhand plain is a low-lying alluvial region and it is located in the northwestern Uttar Pradesh on the upper Ganga alluvial plain. And it lies in between the Ganga river in the west and the Awadh plain in the east. Between the Ganga river in the west and the Awadh plain in the east. So the Rohilkhand plain is named. It is very important. The third point is named after the Rohilla tribe. Named after the Rohilla tribe. Named after the Rohilla tribe. And was known as Madhya Desh in the Mahabharata. And was known as Madhya Desh. And was known as Madhya Desh in Mahabharata. Madhya Desh. And was known as Madhya Desh in Mahabharata. So named after the Rohilla tribe. So Rohilkhand plain is named after the Rohilla tribe and was known as Madhyadesh in Mahabharata. So the question may also come, what was the name of the Rohilkhand plain in Mahabharata? What was the name of Rohilkhand plain in Mahabharata? So Rohilkhand plain was named after the Rohilla tribe and was known as Madhyadesh. So what was the name? It is Madhyadesh, that was mentioned in Mahabharata. Mahabharata. Point 4 is Rohillas were the Pathan Highlanders. Rohillas were the Pathan. Rohillas were the Pathan. Rohillas were the Pathan Highlanders of the Highlanders. Rohillas were the Pathan Highlanders of the Yusufzai tribe. Of the Yusufzai tribe. So Rohillas were the Pathan Highlanders of the Yusufzai tribe. Rohillas were the Pathan Highlanders of the Yusufzai tribe. So next is After Rohilkhand plain, it is Awadh plain. Next is Awadh. Awadh plain. Awadh plain. So Awadh plain, point number 1, it is central part of Uttar Pradesh. 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 Between Purbanchal, between Purbanchal in the east and Rohilkhand in the west, and Rohilkhand Rohilkhand plain in the west. Rohilkhand plain in the west. The Awadh plain lies in the central part of Uttar Pradesh, between Purbanchal in the east and Rohilkhand in the west. Purbanchal in the east and Rohilkhand in the west. So it is a central part of the Uttar Pradesh between Purbanchal in the east and Rohilkhand in the west. Next is, it is earlier known as the Granary of India. Next point is, Awadh plain is known as the earlier Awadh plain is known as the earlier known as the Granary of India. Earlier known as the Granary. Earlier known as the Granary of India. Earlier known as the Granary of India. So Awadh plain. So Awadh plain lies in the central part of Uttar Pradesh, between Purbanchal in the east and Rohilkhand in the west. Between Purbanchal in the east and Rohilkhand in the west, and Awadh plain is earlier known as the Granary of India. Awadh plain is earlier known as the Granary of India. Next point is, known for its unique known for its unique cuisines and culture. Known for its unique cuisines and culture. Cuisines and culture. Known for its unique cuisines and culture. So what is the meaning of cuisine? It is the characteristic style. It is the characteristic style of cooking, style of cooking, characteristic style of cooking, food preparation and food preparation, food preparation, and food preparation associated with a specific culture, region or country. Associated with a specific culture, associated with a specific culture, region, region or country, region or country. So, cuisine is related to the characteristic style of cooking, food preparation associated with a specific culture, region or country. So, what are the name of the cities lies in the Awadh plain? Name of the cities lie in the Awadh plain. So, what are the cities that lie in the Awadh plain? Cities, that is Lucknow, Kanpur, Raebareli, 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 and Faizabad, and Faizabad, Raebareli and Faizabad. So, what are the cities lie in the Awadh plain? That is Lucknow, Kanpur, Raebareli, and Faizabad. Lucknow, Kanpur, Raebareli, and Faizabad lies in the Awadh plain. The cities lies in the Awadh plain are Lucknow, Kanpur, Raebareli, and Faizabad. Next point is Rar plain. Next is Rar. Next is Rar plain. The Rar plain. So point number 1, the Rar region lies between the Rar region lies between the Chota Nagpur plateau. Between the Chota Nagpur the Rar region lies between the Chota Nagpur plateau on the west. Plateau on the west. and the chief flow and the chief flow and the chief flow of the Ganges river and the chief flow of the Ganges river which has been continuously changing in the east, which has been continuously which has been which has been continuously which has been continuously changing which has been continuously changing in the east, which has been continuously changing in the east. So the Rar region lies between the Chota Nagpur Plateau on the west and the chief flow of the Ganges river, which has been continuously changing in the east, which has been continuously changing in the east. So the Rar region lies in between the Chota Nagpur Plateau on the west and the chief flow of the Ganges river, which has been continuously changing in the east, which has been continuously changing in the east. Next point of Rar plain is Next point of Rar plain is the Rar plains comprise the Rar plain the Rar plains comprise the Rar plain comprise the lower Gangetic plains, the lower Gangetic, the Rar plains comprise the lower Gangetic plains to the south, of the Ganges river, to the south of the Ganges river, to the south of the Ganges river. The Rar plains comprise the lower Gangetic plains to the south of the Ganges river and to the west of its Bhagirathi Hooghly, and to the west of its Bhagirathi Hooghly. ভাগীরথী হুগলি ডিস্ট্রিবিউটরি। ভাগীরথী হুগলি ডিস্ট্রিবিউটরি। So the Rar plains comprise the lower Gangetic plains to the south of the Ganges river and to the west of its Bhagirathi Hooghly distributary. Bhagirathi Hooghly distributary. Next point is point number 3. These plains are formed of these plains are formed these plains are formed of old alluvial deposits of old these plains are formed of old alluvial deposits old alluvial deposits. The elevation ranges between the elevation ranges between the elevation ranges between 75 meter and 150 meter and 150 meter. These plains are formed of old alluvial plains deposits. The elevation ranges between 75 meter and 150 meter. 75 meter and 150 meter. Number 4 is the main river being Damodar. So the main river of Rar plain, the main river of Rar plain is Damodar. Is Damodar. Next point 5 is highly industrialized region. Highly industrialized region. Highly industrialized region. Highly industrialized region. And earlier last point is earlier ill famous. Earlier ill famous for disastrous floods. For disastrous earlier ill famous for disastrous floods. Earlier ill famous for disastrous floods. So the Rar region lies between the Chota Nagpur Plateau on the west. The Rar region lies between the Chota Nagpur Plateau on the west and the chief flow of the Ganges River, which has been continuously changing, and the chief flow of the Ganges River, which has been continuously changing in the east, which has been continuously changing in the east. Next point is the Rar plains comprise the lower Gangetic plains to the south. The Rar plains comprise to the lower Gangetic plains to the south of the Ganges river and to the west of its Bhagirathi Hooghly distributary. To the west of its Bhagirathi Hooghly distributary. Next point is the plains formed of old alluvial deposits. The plains are formed of old alluvial deposits. The elevation ranges between 75 meter and 150 river. And the main river is Damodar river. The main river is Damodar river. And the Damodar river is also known as the static portion. It is known as the Sorrow of Bengal. Sorrow of Bengal is Damodar river. Sorrow of Bengal is Damodar river. Dukhi Nodi. Next point is Malwa Doab. Malwa Doab. Malwa Doab. Malwa Doab is the rivers flowing through the Malwa region. The rivers flowing through the Malwa region. The rivers flowing through the Malwa region. The rivers flowing through the Malwa region, covering current states of covering current states of Madhya Pradesh. Covering current states of Madhya Pradesh and parts of northeastern Rajasthan and parts of northeastern Rajasthan. Rivers flowing through the Malwa region, covering current states of Madhya Pradesh and parts of northeastern Rajasthan. Also has Doab region. Also has Doab region. Such as Upper Malwa Doab. Upper Malwa Doab. And Lower Malwa Doab. Lower Malwa Doab. So the rivers flowing through the Malwa region, covering current states of Madhya Pradesh and parts of northeastern Rajasthan, also have doabs such as Upper Malwa Doab and Lower Malwa Doab, just like Ganga Doab. Ganga Doab has three categories, that is upper Ganga Doab, central Ganga Doab, and lower Ganga Doab. Just like that, Malwa Doab has also two categories, that is upper Malwa Doab and lower Malwa Doab. Next point is Chhattisgarh Plain. Next point is Chhattisgarh Plain. Chhattisgarh Plain. Next point is Chhattisgarh Plain. The Chhattisgarh Plain is the only plain. Number one point is the Chhattisgarh the Chhattisgarh Plain. The Chhattisgarh Plain is the only plain. Is the only. The Chhattisgarh Plain is the only plain. Or the name in the or the name in the peninsular plateau. Name in the peninsular or the name in the peninsular plateau. The Chhattisgarh Plain. The Chhattisgarh Plain is the only plain or the name in the peninsular plateau. The Chhattisgarh Plain is the only plain or the name in the peninsular plateau. Next point is it is a saucer shaped depression. Next point is it is a saucer. It is a saucer shaped depression. It is a saucer shaped depression. It is a saucer shaped depression drained by the upper Mahanadi. 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 So Chhattisgarh plain is a saucer shaped depression. Chhattisgarh plain is a saucer shaped depression drained by the upper Mahanadi. Chhattisgarh plain is a saucer shaped depression drained by the upper Mahanadi. Next point is the whole basin lies. The whole basin lies between the Maikala range. Lies between the Maikala range and the Odisha hills. Maikala range The whole basin lies between the Maikala range and the Odisha hills. And the Odisha hills. The whole basin lies between the Maikala range and the Odisha hills. The whole basin lies between the Maikala range and the Odisha hills. Next point is point number 4. 4. It is bounded. It is bounded. It is bounded by the Chota Nagpur Plateau to the north. By the Chota Nagpur Plateau. It is bounded by the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Plateau to the north. The Raigarh Hills to the northeast. The Raigarh Hills. The Raigarh Hills to the northeast. The Raigarh Hills to the northeast. The Raigarh Hills to the northeast and the Raipur upland. The next is the Raipur upland. The Raipur upland to the southeast. The Raipur upland to the southeast. The Bastar Plateau to the south. The Bastar Plateau to the south. The Bastar Plateau to the south and the Maikala range to the west. And the Maikala range to the west. And the Maikala range to the west. Next point is point number 5. The region was The region was once ruled by. The region was once ruled by. The region was once ruled by whom? By Haithai Bhanshi Rajputs. By Haithai Bhanshi Rajputs. From whose 36 forts Chhattisgarh it derived its name. From whose? The region was once ruled by Haithai Bhanshi Rajputs, from whose 36 forts, from whose 36, 36 forts, from whose 36 forts Chhattisgarh, 36 forts from Chhattisgarh derive its name. Derive its name. The region was once ruled by Haithai Banshi Rajputs, from whose 36 forts Chhattisgarh derive its name. Next point is the basin is laid with nearly. Point number 6. The basin is laid with nearly horizontal beds, horizontal beds of limestone, horizontal beds of limestone and shales, and shales. And it is famous as the rice bowl of India. And it is famous as the rice bowl, famous as the rice bowl of India, famous as the rice bowl of India. Next point is 8. Extensive coal deposits. Extensive coal deposits and substantial deposits of iron ore and substantial deposits of iron ore, bauxite, next one is manganese, then and commercial clays have aided its development, and commercial clays have aided its development. have aided its development. Aided its development. Commercial credit have aided its development. Next point 9 is so what we taught about Chhattisgarh plain. So the Chhattisgarh plain is the only plain. The Chhattisgarh plain is the only plain with the name or the name in the peninsular plateau. The Chhattisgarh plain is the only plain or the name in the peninsular plateau. The Chhattisgarh plain is the only plain or the name in the peninsular plateau. Next point is it is a saucer shaped depression. What is the shape of the peninsular plain, Chhattisgarh plain? So what is the shape of the Chhattisgarh plain? It is a saucer shaped depression. It is a saucer shaped depression drained by the upper Mahanadi. So it is a saucer shaped depression drained by the upper, by whom? By which river? By upper Mahanadi river. It is a saucer shaped depression drained by the upper Mahanadi river. The whole basin. So the whole basin lies between the Maikala range. The whole basin lies between the Maikala range and the Odisha hills. The whole basin lies between the Maikala range and the Odisha hills. And then next point is it is bounded by the Chota Nagpur plateau. It is bounded by the Chota Nagpur plateau to the north. It is bounded by the Chota Nagpur plateau to the north, the Raigarh hills to the northeast. The Raigarh hills to the northeast. So it is bounded by the Chota Nagpur plateau to the north, the Raigarh hills to the northeast, the Raipur upland to the southeast, So it is bounded by the Chota Nagpur plateau to the north, the Raigarh hills to the northeast, the Raipur upland to the southeast, the Bastar plateau to the south, and the Maikala range to the west. So what is Chhattisgarh plain? It is Chhattisgarh plain. The Chhattisgarh plain is bounded. So the Chhattisgarh plain is bounded by the Chota Nagpur plateau. The Chhattisgarh plain is bounded by the Chota Nagpur plateau to the north. The Chhattisgarh plain is bounded by the Chota Nagpur plateau to the north, the Raigarh hills to the northeast. The Chota Nagpur plateau to the north. This is the map. The Chota Nagpur plateau, it is here, Chota Nagpur plateau in the north, and it is northeast. Northeast is Raigarh hills. Northeast is Raigarh hills, and the Raipur upland to the southeast, and the Raipur upland to the southeast. Raipur upland and Raigarh hills. So it is bounded by the Chhattisgarh the Chhattisgarh plain. It's bounded by the Chota Nagpur plateau to the north, the Raigarh hills to the northeast, and the Raipur upland to the southeast, and the Bastar plateau the Bastar Plateau into the south, and the Michael Range to the west, and the Michael Range to the west. So the Chhattisgarh, Chotanagpur Plateau, it is in the north, Raigad Hills in the northeast, Raipur upland into the southeast, Bastar Plateau in the south, and the Michael Range to the west. So remember the direction that was bounded by the Chotanagpur, Chhattisgarh plain is bounded by the south direction, northeast direction, southeast direction, and west direction. So in the north direction it is Chotanagpur Plateau. In the northeast it is Raipur, Raigad Hills. In the southeast it is Raipur upland. In the south it is Bastar Plateau. And to the west it is Michael Range. To the south it is Michael Range. So next point is the region. The region was once ruled by whom? The region was once ruled by the Haithai Banshi Rajputs. The region was once ruled by Haithai Banshi Rajputs from whose 36 forts. The region was once ruled by Haithai Banshi Rajputs from whose 36 forts Chhattisgarh derived its name. Chhattisgarh derived its name. The region was once ruled by Haithai Banshi Rajputs from whose 36 forts, that is Chhattisgarh, derived its name. The basin is laid nearly with the horizontal beds of limestone and shales, and famous as the rice bowl of India. So which state is known as the rice bowl of India? Which state is known as the rice bowl of India? So, which state is known as the rice bowl of India? Rice bowl of India is known as Andhra Pradesh. So, in the static question, it is also asked. So, Andhra Pradesh is known as the rice bowl of India. Andhra Pradesh is known as the rice bowl of India. So, the last point is extensive coal deposits and substantial deposits of iron ore, bauxite, manganese, and commercial clays have aided its development. So that's all from today's class. So thank you all and have a nice day. So the next part we will discuss in the next week of this month. Thank you all and have a nice day.